In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make automatic points standing system for League in Google Sheet. By the end, you'll have a clean backend to record results and a front end that calculates wins, draws, losses, points, and a live leaderboard that reorders itself as you add games. First, set up your results sheet. Create a tab named Results. Add 4 headers. In column A, Home Team, column B, Home Score, column C, Away Score, and column D, Away Team. Each row is one match. Type team names consistently every time, and make sure scores are numbers, not text. A quick tip, you can turn on data validation for the team columns to reduce typos. But the key is to keep names identical across the file. Next, build your standings. Create a tab named Standings. Add headers for team, wins, draws, losses, and points. In the team column, list every team exactly as they appear on the Results tab. Now, use formulas to calculate performance from the results data. Here I'm providing the detail formula in this sheet. You can check it for wins. Count matches where a team won at home, plus matches where it won away. In the wins cell for the first team, you can use sum product of home team equal to standing team multiply, home score greater than away score plus is sum product of away team equal to standing team multiply, away score greater than home score for draws. Count equals scores home and away, sum product of home team equal to standing team multiply, home score equal to away score plus is sum product of away team equal to standing team multiply, away team equal to standing team. If your sheet is large, you can limit the ranges instead of using full columns to improve performance. Finally, automate the ranking. Create a tab named Leaderboard. Use sort to display teams in order of points. Highest first, enter. Type sort and select the standings datasheet, then add the points column number, then type false. Here, 5 is the points column in the standings range and false means descending. T0 show ranks that adjust as the order changes. Add a rank column to the left of your sorted table, and in the first data row type row 1. Fill that down so it shows 1, 2, 3, and so on. That's it. As you add results to the Results tab, the standings update automatically and the leaderboard reorders itself. Thanks for watching.